Welcome to Mono Tutorials. In this session, we're going to be looking at how to upload a VRM onto Web3 Storage. First, we're going to have a quick look at sign up and sign in. Then we're going to look at uploading your VRM and then copying the link and using it in Mono. Let's jump in. All right. If you haven't already, first we need to sign up or sign in to the site web3.storage. Signing up is pretty easy. Just follow the instructions on the site. And once you want to sign in, a link will be sent to your email. And when you click on that, then you will sign in. So it's very easy to get a Web3 storage account. Once you've signed in this case, it automatically went to that. But if you need to, you can go to manage files. So say, for example, I'm logged in, go to account, manage files. And then we have this. There are a couple of ways to upload your file. So there's this or this one. It is also possible to drag and drop, but first you need to pull up this window. So for example, I can drag my asset into here, or I can click on this and load it manually, like so. Do take note of these two things here because we're using a blockchain for Web3 storage. Basically, anyone that has access to the CID link can use it. And the other element is that as this is on the blockchain, your asset could still be on the chain even if you delete it from your storage. If you want to sort of avoid that, I would probably recommend using GitHub instead, as when you delete that, I believe it is sort of gone for good. This one is easier to set up, to be honest, but there are those two caveats with that. So once that is updated, we can do that. So it may take a little bit of time to get your asset on the blockchain. So for example, we have this. It is possible to change the name of the VRM file if you like. So you can just click on this little button here and change that name. It is also possible to delete your asset by selecting the asset you want and then going delete selected there. That said, once it's done, you can click on the CID link here. What we want to do is right mouse click on our asset and go copy link. And then in Mono, press 4, or use the button, the avatar button at the bottom here, import VRM, and go Control Paste. And then go load. Depending on the size of your asset, loading on Web3 storage may take a little bit longer. So I'd probably recommend using this for the smaller VRMs, or use GitHub, as that will be a faster asset load. That's it for this tutorial. Happy building.